This is mukbang time.
Yes.
Okay, shout out to Volt.
Hey, Miss Perfy. Anda la Chelsea.
Hvor skal vi starte?
I'm just hungry, y'all. We got fries. We got a burger. We got another burger.
Don't know what it is, but this look at this delicious.
With potatoes and loaded fries.
Okay, let's open it and then just like that. Okay, don't include it.
Hey it's Chelsea here. Okay, hold on a second there. We just want to apologize for all the noises since the microphone was way too close and it's the first time we're using it. But anyways, let's move on and enjoy the mukbang. Let's go!
Around
The free burger.
the free burger. Okay. Oh yeah. Yummy.
And then we got aioli dip and sriracha mayo.
Okay. Let's have a bite moment.
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
Munchies. Oslo. Yo guys, yo. Sweet potato.
Do you want a burger? Eat a burger. Do you want a french fry? Eat a french fry. Got it? You don't know where to start?
I don't. This is freaking delicious. Where have I been in my life?
It's been in Brigga.
This was too much. I didn't know that we ordered that much. For real?
When your eyes are more hungry than your stomach, basically.
Det er noe med mat også, at det bare... Jeg vil sove. Munchies!
Never say no to free food.
Yeah. How's the corona life?
Corona's crap. Or COVID, as you call it.
The sadness with the corona virus. Tell me more about it. Tell our viewers about it.
I remember that news in December of 2019, actually. My colleague at work, he came up with this newspaper, and then the headline was like, coronavirus in China. I was like, okay, what is that crap? And he was like, oh, do you ever think it will arrive to Norway? And I didn't take it serious. I was like, nah, hell no, China is too far away from Norway. How is it gonna arrive here, right?
Right.
And then boom, the next month. Corona hit us.
The whole world
Yeah.
is crushed by the coronavirus.
Right. Anyways,
Let's go back in time.
yeah, I was gonna say that.
Let's talk about Spain.
España.
España.
No, it's been 2 years since we were there.
2 years ago. Yep. It's been a long time.
Imagine if we didn't go.
Yeah.
And
imagine.
we were actually supposed to go in 2020, like last year, and then this COVID shit happened. We would have never gone to Spain.
Yep.
If we never went there in 2019.
Okay, so we were in Spain a whole month. in June. We did a lot of crazy stuff behind the scenes. Behind the scenes,
Behind
guys.
the scenes, not what you've seen on our vlogs. That's like nothing.
That's nothing. So we have been in Spain in a lot of cities. I think it was 5. We were in Malaga, Sevilla, Granada, Huelva,
Whoa.
and Portugal. That's another country, but yeah, in Algarve. I don't know how to say it. Algarve. That was the experience. I learned a lot of Spanish. ¿Cómo estás? Hola, amiga.
Hola, amiga.
When the memories came back, it's just a good memory.
So now I'm eating these loaded fries, and it's good. Maybe we should do ASMR since you all can hear us. Wait, I know a challenge now. Challenge where you're like in the library and then you can't talk loud, and then we need to do like do different type of challenges while whispering, and then if you laugh loud, you're out. But it's fun if we were more people. We're gonna laugh all the way.
Oh my god. Our laughter is loud.
Yes.
I think the neighbor can hear us. So this is fries with fried onions.
Spring onion.
What she said.
Yeah. Nice.
It's a little bit spicy.
But not that spicy.
Oh, did you remember the spicy challenge?
Don't even
Talk about it. Y'all, if you haven't seen the spicy challenge, go check it out in our video and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to us.
I remember after we did that challenge, I was literally sitting in the toilet for 2 hours. My stomach was boiling.
Yo.